Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Now, the disclaimer, even though I'm using an iPhone device right here, this tutorial will be an Android device tutorial. So the process is technically the same, so please follow until the end. So for this, I'm going to teach you or I'm going to show you this really curious and hidden application that will scan your photos for your Android devices. And I'm going to talk about it first before telling you how to remove it or basically uninstall it. So what is this? They call it Android System Safety Core. So what it does is it's going to be a Google system service for Android 9 and above. So it provides underlying technology for features like upcoming sensitive content warnings and so on and so forth. So basically what it does is it's gonna be an unwanted application installed on your phone. So why do users do not want it? So number one is there's no user content or user permission to install it. And it scans your phone most of the time, your photos. And that's not really good for someone like me, of course. I don't really like that. So once you see this one running on your background and it gives you a glitchy background, please remove it. I'm going to teach you how. Now, as you can see in the comments right there, it says that this is going to be a glitchy device and it has been or it has not been asked for permission to install it. Alright? Not even a notification. So how do you go to fix this one? So on your device right there, if you're using an Android again, go to your settings. Now once you're in settings, look for the one that says applications or app management if you call it. On my end, it's just going to be apps. Now once you're in here, go to the system applications. On my end, it should be on the default apps. And of course, look for the one they call Android System Core or something similar like that and basically open it up. For example, let's say this one is going to be the Amazon or the Android Safety Core. So basically turn it off or install it. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.